You're not free to leave! Out of there! Get on the ground now! He's got a gun!
How does a medical emergency call inside a home suddenly escalate into a violent struggle and an officer getting punched in the mouth?
So we can have some set up here? Yeah, that's what I was gonna do, but then that only gives him that way out. I'm scared he's gonna like 45 into somebody here. So, yeah. Sam 15 to the next unit, 156. So we can actually try and block. There's an entrance that leads into the Burger King parking lot from 98th. You guys can block that traffic so it doesn't go northbound. We have a lot of pedestrian vehicle traffic.
We're closed right now for activities, so give us about 30-45 minutes. Sorry about that, sir.
Yo! What's she doing? Let's get another unit. I'll move mine. Back into the building, facing southbound. No. Yeah, I think that ready to be going 5-6, just block that entrance and we can open back. Yeah, and I'm thinking right here, that way we have this as cover, and we have the curb and the tree, and you have the railing, so if you need to throw them out, that'll be good for you. So which one are you supposed to use? This one right here, watch out, watch out, watch out. Not yet. Can I what?
I let some of my customers out.
Can you hold them? We're just going to go and try to talk and get them now, okay? You want to throw them? Hey, sir, I need you to go back. I need you to go back. Is he still moving? Is he moving? So we'll move up. I think we'll use one of their units as cover, PA, and then, I'll use Brandon's, because he has a 40. And then you'll just throw those stop signs up once he moves in. So we'll come in first, I think right here, on this side. Does that make sense? Yeah. Hey, you have a 40? So we'll use... Here, I'll hold it while you go get the car in place. I think we're going to use your car as cover, roll in. Okay. And kind of angle it so it gives them...
So where exactly, which car is it?
It's this one back here. So I think we're going to have you kind of come in here because we're going to throw stop signs here. So if he's got to go out, we'll just use your car here and this is cover.
Kind of block this.
Good. If you can block the entrance to the Burger King from Unser, just throw your lights on there, that'd be great.
So, fix the holes in the back, what do you say?
What's that, dude?
RLB637.
Yeah, it's that one in the back.
Okay.
Is he confirmed?
Oh, confirm the 26?
No, the 29, dude, not the 26. Can you confirm the 29s?
Oh, yeah.
I'll do it now.
Hey, Duddy, wait. Everybody's live?
Yeah.
Breathe. People breathe. Get Julie to be ready to move in case that dude... he's gonna have to leave. I was gonna say, so, well, we're gonna use this car here. This is the only way out. We're gonna throw stop signs behind us, so we have this as cover, both of these.
Warrant, and
All right, later.
you are under arrest. We consider you armed and dangerous. Do only what I tell you to do when I tell you to do it. Any movements other than those directed may be perceived as an active threat
use the sidewalk.
or resistance and may result in the use of force.
We might have to move up, see if the door's unlocked. Like in 10-15 minutes, we might have to move up because if he's down and out, he's been out for 2 hours. Everybody's got a baton to break that window if we need to.
I want to have a knife.
Now,
Yeah, baton. Have a knife.
well, I mean, if you want to risk that, dude.
This one?
Because if he's not waking up, it might be a medical issue. So we might have to move up and get him out.
They didn't say it was running, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could hear it running. But that way we'd move, I think, your unit up at an angle with him, like up to hit his.
So you can open his door?
No, from the front. As much as the front you can to go head on with him. As best as you can without 45ing, and then that way he can run if he needs to. But I think, ideally, we'd move up with you. At the same time, we'd move people from the back to go grab him. Actually, that's my bad. So we'll move your unit up somehow, and then you'll get out. Put the thing on park, get out, and then we'll approach from the back.
Straight head on?
If you can. Well, how many minutes have you done PAs for? It could be a medical thing, so that we're trying to...
15, 55. Is that your minutes?
55? Yeah, keep going for a bit.
But after hours of waiting, officers were about to get the response they feared.
Probably behind the family color. Looks like he's going to be walking towards the front, wearing all black. Maybe you're safe. Trying doors in the back, weren't opening. But get a good look at the driver's seat very black.
Get off! Hey, right there, Albuquerque Police Department, stop! Stop right there, put your hands up! Albuquerque Police Department, stop! You're not free to leave! Put your hands up! Stop right there! Put your hands up! Stop! 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 You're not free to leave! You're not free to leave! Stop! Put your hands up! He has a knife on him. Stop! Don't reach! You're not free to leave! Get on the ground! You're not free to leave!
Give me a 40.
Get a 40, come on!
Watch his hands. Don't let him go in. Don't let him go in.
Taser! Taser, take the taser!
Get up, sir. You okay?
It's okay.
Keep eyes on him now. Get out. You good? Keep eyes on him now. Watch his hands. Reload. Wait. I'm reloading.
He's off. He's going to be right here.
Move. Check your stuff. You guys good?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Let's go. Who's got gloves? Let's go. Hands
I
up.
got gloves.
Move with me. Let's get handcuffed.
Come on. Move. Let's get him.
Get her out of here.
Get her out.
Let's go. Hands on. Watch his knives.
Nice.
I'm gonna roll him to you.
Okay, roll them over.
Help her out.
I can't.
Brendan, help her out.
Come on. Can we cut this? Somebody cut that strap.
Okay, get him in handcuffs.
Cut that strap.
Let's go, Bren.
Cut the knives off.
Handcuffs.
Right here.
Hey, go back.
2 handcuffs. 2 handcuffs.
Can I get my own just quick? No, not right now.
Bro.
Not right now.
715. Subject in custody. Yeah, 4355. Step up. Roll them. I don't know. 10-4, PD. This time we're all 10-4. Hey, necesito que me ayuden. Toda la gente que estaba acá, para atrás. Y los nenes también. Get them out, please. Hey, let's try to secure the scene. Get some units up. Block the parking lot, front and back, and start 2-5ing people. Get them. Everybody out. Para la esquina, por favor. Todo el mundo para atrás. Everybody to the back, para atrás. En la esquina, por favor. Hey, you got one in the back. You good? You good? I think so.
I wet check Anthony. Do we have his gun?
Yeah, it's right. I just had it. Yeah, it's right there. Sorry. We good?
Oh my god, I'm
You
good.
okay?
I'm good.
You want to go get your
You
unit?
guys are okay. My unit's right out front, but I didn't lock it.
You good, buddy?
I'm good. I'll take a right by my face. I thought you hit Anthony. Is there anything I need to do, sir?
Huh?
Is there anything I need to do?
We're gonna stand by, buddy. You good? I don't know. Yeah, I think so. You want to check?
You're good.
Because Anthony scared the car. He's thrown down and started shooting my way. Oh no!
He was shooting.
Yeah, no. You're good. You good? Hey, hell of a taser deployment, dude. That saved us. Dude, that was... Okay, taser. Who's that? Is that yours, Julie? Yeah, dude. Yeah. We're inside. We need the south side of Machete taped off and manned. That way we can start evacuating everybody.
Antone Sheward was arrested and charged with aggravated battery and assault of a police officer following a violent confrontation inside his home in Joliet. Police say officers were responding to a medical emergency when Sheward became aggressive, forced his way past them, and struck an officer during the struggle while resisting arrest. Authorities also confirmed he had an outstanding warrant at the time of the incident. Drop your opinion in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more real-world police cases.